Welcome back to Guitar Lele Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the two strumming pattern that we talked about in our last video about the ties, where we also mentioned that we are going to actually continue one strum for the next beat, and that causes us to miss one down strum. And it's a little bit different that we already did in our last 7 or 8 strumming patterns. So in all of these 7 or 8 strumming patterns, what we did is that we always played a down strum into the beats 1, 2, 3, 4. That was actually for us all the down strums. So this is a little different in this time, so where we are missing this strums. Okay, but when you play, you will see that when you are going to play, you will see that your hand still moves. My hand will still move, but I will just not touch the string. So it's similar like doing the missing an up strum, just we are not doing it for the up strum, we are doing it for the down strum. Let's jump into the strumming patterns. Before jumping into today's strumming patterns, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to revisit the last strumming pattern that we have learned. That was strumming pattern 8, and it sounded like this: down, down, up, down, up, down. Notice we are playing all the down strums here, and we are just using 2 the up strums, and we are missing 2 up strums. So that in that particular bar there were 6 strums, 4 down strums and 2 up strums. Once again, down, down, up, down, up, down, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, and you see that my hand is always moving. No matter if I am touching the string or not, my hand moves. Okay, now what we are going to do is that we are going to build our next strumming pattern on top of this. So what we are going to do, we are just missing the down strum in the third beat, and that now becomes down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so it's something like this. Down, down, up, down. Okay, so you can see that my hand still moves. I'm just not touching the strings for the down strum at this time. Okay, now we are going to practice it with 75 BPM metronome. So I am just starting my metronome here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, once more. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 1, 2 and 4, down, down, up, down, 1, 2 and 4. That was strumming pattern 9. Now we are going to move into one more very popular strumming pattern, that's the island strumming pattern or the island strum. So it's simply called as island strum. So what is here, we are building on top of strumming pattern 9 now. We are just what we did in strumming pattern 9 was down, down, up, down. Now we are just adding one up strum at the end. So after the 4th down strum, or the 4th beat, not the down strum, it is the 3rd down strum actually now into the bar. So we are going to add one up strum. So and that sounds like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, now I'm going to do it pretty slowly. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still tapping my foot. Only thing is that I'm not touching the string during the down strum. Let's practice it with metronome. So I'm using 75 BPM, and once you grasp the strumming pattern 9, so that we just practiced, this one should be pretty easy. Okay, so let's go. 1 2 3 4, down down up down up, 1 2 and 4, and down down up down up, 1 2 and 4, and okay, so practice these two patterns. If you are not getting the hang of missing the down strum, so keep repeating this particular part of missing that third beat. So we are doing the down down up and then miss, and then down up down up, sorry. So try to do that. It's a pretty popular, and it fits in most of the 4x4 songs. That's the best part of it. So you can get away with a lot of songs with just island strum. So practice it, master it. So the more you practice, the more it gets into your hand, into your muscle memory, basically. Okay, so yep, that's all. We'll meet with some more strumming patterns in our next videos. Thank you.